Now, I know there's probably a lot I've not covered in Design Spark Mechanical, but I've decided to switch to Design Spark PCB, principally because I'm thinking about making some printed circuits. I'm going to move over to my other interest, which is electronics. I've got a few projects in mind for that. So I'm going to try and get my head around Design Spark PCB. I've looked at quite a few tutorials on DSPCB, and I think I've got something to contribute to what's already out there. I'm going to spend quite a few, maybe weeks, looking at these and disseminating them and trying to find out what is missing and what I can contribute. So, as you've probably noticed here on the bench, I've got a couple of new toys. A signal generator and a Rigol DS1102 digital oscilloscope. I bought these because I think I'm worth it, quite honestly. And they're nice to play with, and I've had some fun already, just trying to get my head around all the controls and what it will do. So I might also do some tutorials, small tutorials on these bits of equipment, just to fill in, as well as the actual projects themselves. So there's plenty of scope for content here, and I think I'm going to enjoy it, and I hope you people will too. So stand by for some of this. By the way, although I'm going to leave off Design Spark Mechanical, I'm still quite happy to entertain suggestions and queries people might have on how to use it, how to get a particular idea on screen using Design Spark Mechanical. So don't think I'm going to leave you in the lurch, as it were. I'm still here, and if anybody's got problems with Design Spark Mechanical, I'll do my best to try and help you out. So stand by for this new 2021 version of Jim and his Design Spark tutorials. Cheerio! Okay, I've decided to tack on the first Design Spark PCB tutorial on the end of this announcement. It's going to be quite a short one just to get started, and it's how to open a new project in DSPCB. By the way, it has been said that I'm not a very good speaker on here, but then neither is Elon Musk, so I think I'm in good company there. Anyway, here we go. We've got completely blank space here. We're going to start a new design. So File, New. Okay. So we've got a new design panel. We're going to make a project, so we'll select Project. Right, now, new project name. Here's the first problem we encounter. I can't figure out what the purpose of this is, because although you can click in here and you get a blinking cursor, if you try and type anything in, I'm just rattling the keyboard keys here and nothing goes in. So when you put a name in here, you can browse and select, immediately get a confirm save as. I'm not trying to save anything, I'm trying to start a new project. Can't save anything. Do you want a project by the same name, want to replace it? Well, no, I'm not trying to save anything. So I'm going to say no to that and cancel it. Now, I'll just cancel this and go to help F1. Now I'm over here, I'm going to drag this in. Here we are, help F1. I've already got new project there. Select the topic, new, display. This is what we've been faced with, a new design panel. So it's talking about schematic design, PCB design, new technology files, libraries, but it's not saying anything about new project, even though this is new project. So this is not explaining what this is for. I don't even think Design Spark PCB people know what this is for. It's about time this was tidied up, I think. Anyway, let's ignore that. Get rid of this. So if we forget that, go new project and OK that, we can then save new project, which I've done already. I've called it my first DSPCB project. So that's what you put in there and save it. You want to replace it? Yes. So having done that, we find we have a little hierarchy tree here, schematic design, PCB design, and that's under the project tab. We're going to add a schematic design and then a PCB design. So again we go to new, this time schematic design. We'll stick with the default technology file. We find we still can't type anything in here, but we're going to keep that add to the open project. Well, okay, we'll assume that it's of course this project, since nothing is able to be typed in here. We're not going to go with a new technology file at this stage, so we'll say OK to that. Right, now we're in the right folder, my YouTube movies, Design Spark PCB, announcement plus first Design Spark PCB. So we'll give it the same name. Oh, well, okay. And then we'll just delete that, and presumably it'll put SCH in for us. So now we're going to save this. Right, now we've got a tab, announcement plus first DSPCB, SCH, schematic. Good. And finally we'll do the same process, new PCB design, add to open. Still not able. We'll go straight to OK. This is going to be a PCB, so we'll A announcement and delete off PRG, and presumably it will put PCB. Save. So, right, start. PCB wizard, new PCB wizard. Will guide you through the PCB design. Right. I've just clicked on that. Now technology. Okay, I'm just going to go with a single-sided board here to make things simple. Use default technology. Ah, wait. Default. Well, okay, default. Specify units, thou. Yeah, I can live with thous. Next. Ah, here you are. Layers. Define layer. I'm going to go with a single side board just for this demo. Paste mask for surface mount technology. I'm not thinking about that sort of thing now, but top side, bottom side. Solder mask. Top side, well, it'll be bottom side on this. Power plane layers. 2, 3, no, don't need that for this demo. Auto route bus. They're all grayed out. So when do they become live? Maybe we go live when that is chosen. Okay. Right. There's next. Right. Board. It's given us a board with thou 3149 thou. Perhaps I should have gone with millimeters or something. Never mind, we'll just accept that, because I do believe these are infinitely variable later on. Copy board outline from another file, no. Define board size. So we've chosen that one, so we could have chosen that one. Oh, look. So it makes special board outlines. Good, we'll stick with that. Next. PC board will now be created to the open project. CP design file. My YouTube movies. That's excellent. Finish. And there it is. Now we'll just try something. Yeah, I thought so. You can change these quite nicely. So now we've got a project tab there, a schematic tab, and a PCB tab. So that is how to get started with a DesignSpark PCB project. Hope that was all clear. Any queries, you know how to get in touch with me, and I'll be happy to try and figure something out for you. Bye.